Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create a YouTube short on CapCut PC. Select your landscape video and select the frame ratio and set it to 9:16, and you're just going to adjust your video, scale it up. Then if you'd like to, you can go to captions and add in an auto caption to the video. Apparently this one doesn't have any audio on it. Hold on, let me use this one. Hopefully there. Okay, this one has audio. So we're going to use that. We're going to go to text here and we're going to go to captions and auto captions generate. And then you can basically just customize the caption as you're editing, a YouTube short. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.